Hello everyone, today is the first day of the Hong Kong International Lighting Fair, and we are honored to have Mr. Szymon Slupik, Chair of the Mesh Working Group at Bluetooth SIG, with us today to discuss Bluetooth. Welcome, Mr. Szymon.
Thank you.
And we have 4 questions for you today. The first question is, most people are familiar with Bluetooth, and in recent years, Bluetooth NLC has emerged in the lighting control industry. So could you summarize Bluetooth NLC and its core benefits in one simple sentence?
One sentence, that's very difficult,
Yeah.
but let me try. Maybe I will do like 3 sentences. So basically, Bluetooth NLC is the first, and I would say today, the only scalable wireless professional lighting control solutions for especially commercial and industrial buildings, as well as for outdoor applications. It is based on very strong Bluetooth mesh technology, but Bluetooth NLC is on top of that. It defines device profiles. So we have Bluetooth NLC profiles for things like ambient light sensors, occupancy sensors, light controllers, scene selectors, dimming controls, energy monitors. There's one recent addition to Bluetooth NLC, which is the HVAC integration profile. It allows linking the lighting occupancy sensors with thermostats. So now the energy savings coming from this entire system is not only from lighting, but also the heating and ventilation and air conditioning systems can benefit from wireless sensors and occupancy.
Okay, yeah, that's clear and helpful. And my second question is, the lighting industry is evolving repeatedly. So looking ahead, do you think Bluetooth NLC will become the mainstream trend for the wireless lighting controls, and what are the key reasons?
Yeah, I absolutely believe this is the standard going forward. First of all, it's the most modern technology. You know, wireless, we had systems dating back to early 2000s, like Z-Wave, for example, and then came Zigbee, and then was like people were using in early 2010, they were using standard Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth Mesh came in 2018, Bluetooth NLC is 2023. So it's a very recent technology, has many advantages, it scales very well to thousands of devices, and it also plays very nice with other standards. So we have very close cooperation with DALI Alliance, which is also important in this commercial industrial sector. And as we speak, I think this week or maybe in the coming days, there will be a new certification program called Bluetooth NLC to DALI interface, and this is formally called DALI Part 341.
Yeah.
It defines how DALI D4i drivers interact with Bluetooth wireless nodes and how all the device data. So it's not only about lighting control, it's also about device data, which is very important for IoT and for artificial intelligence systems, because they need to harvest data which we can bring from those devices. So when I see different standards organizations working together towards a unified solution, it gives me this confidence that in future this will be the dominating technology. Compelling points, and thank you for saying so much for this. And my third question is, we know Bluetooth NLC is currently focused on the lighting sector. Which field will it expand to next? Yeah, so I briefly mentioned the HVAC integration, which already brings lighting and heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems together. That's definitely the next step. We are also looking very actively into all areas where Bluetooth already has been quite popular, like asset tracking, for example, and environmental sensors. So I think environmental sensors, including air quality and carbon dioxide and temperature, humidity, all those non-lighting parameters can be integrated into lighting sensors and lighting NLC systems. So that's definitely the next step for the evolution.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for that. And my last question is, speaking of industry practices, what thoughts and suggestions do you have regarding Sunricher's Bluetooth NLC product portfolio?
You already have very broad portfolio of NLC products, so it's very rich and customers can select many of those to match their needs. I think going forward we will be moving to, for example, incorporating new sensing technologies. Like you recently launched the presence sensor, which is not based on traditional PIR, but it's based on microwave radar combination of radio waves. So this is very interesting development. I think we will see other sensing technologies being incorporated into the NLC system. So, for example, technologies including sensors that can do people counting and like more granular control of presence. We will be also seeing many either battery-powered or battery-less wireless devices like kinetic devices or devices that use photovoltaic photocell panels to power the device. So basically, the reason I like them because they are completely wire-free. They even do not require power wires to be connected.
Yeah, okay. That's all for the today interview. Thank you so much for your valuable insight, Mr. Szymon. And Mr. Szymon highlights the Bluetooth NLC growth and industrial value, and at its core, it delivers simpler and smarter and more connected lighting control experience. So thank you so much for your time and expertise.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.